Yet another high-speed LED lamp teardown, 3-watt chip-on board LED. So this one has just been bought off eBay, so let's get straight into it without further ado. That screw comes out, that screw comes out, that screw comes out, and that lets the reflector, quite a neat reflector, come out the front, revealing an unusual LED that looks a bit like a Luxian star, but is actually chip-on board. Now, this seems to be something the Chinese manufacturers are doing quite a lot these days, and here's a bigger COB. And instead of getting the aluminium substrate circuit board and then mounting existing packaged LEDs in it, like the Luxian star 1-watt chips, what they're doing is they're putting surface mount chips directly onto the substrate, putting a little sort of dam round it, and then flooding it with a sort of almost like a rubbery silicon feeling stuff with the phosphor embedded in it. It's a good idea. It makes it really cheap and easy to make these from their perspective. So this is screwed in quite tightly. The other chip I just showed you there has 6 chips in it, and it's rated about 5 watts, and they're wired as I think it's 3 in series in 2 parallel pairs, something like that. So the only way I'm going to get the back off this is to lift this up a little bit. It's quite unusual that this one uses the standard Luxian starish style housing. That's quite neat. That's interesting to know. 3 screws come out here. I kind of know what's in here already, because it's going to be very similar to the other universal voltage ones. And it's going to be one of those little, all sleeved up again, nice and tight, the sleeving. That's good. It's quite thick sleeving, but it's going to be another of those little switching power supplies. I usually have one knocking about here, roughly like this, which takes the mains in through a rectifier, control chip, little transformer, and basically puts out current limited or power limited power to the LED, so the LED runs at a specific power. Yeah, how many times can I say power? And that's really it. So that's quite a neat one. I like that one. It's quite bright when it's lit as well. Yeah, it's a good one.